So today we are going to do some practice questions that all are related to electronic devices. So first question is the JFET operates in ohmic region when? So we have to tell the conditions in this question when JFET start to operate in ohmic region. So before to do this question, I want to mention some point here. JFET operate in two region. First is ohmic and second is saturation. If we see the IV characteristic of JFET, this is drain current and this is gate source voltage. So it will be like this. So it is cold. Here it is VP. This is saturation region. And this is ohmic region. Okay, so ohmic region also called as linear region or triode region. In this characteristic, we can see when the VGS is less than VP, we are getting this region. Okay, so the condition to get ohmic region in JFET, gate source voltage should be less than pinch off voltage. So the answer will be B. Okay. So now the second question, for a BJT under the saturation region, what will be the collector current? Again, to before to do this question, I want to mention which region we have under the in BJT. First is cutoff region. Second is saturation region. Third is active region. Okay, so cutoff region work like as a off switch. So here collector current will be 0. In saturation region, collector current should be less than beta IB. And in active region, collector current is always equal to beta IB. So from this analysis, we can see the options here and we will get the option D is correct. Okay, now the third question is Zener breakdown occurs. So Zener breakdown occurs, we have to actually in these options we have to go all of the options one by one. First we will see the C option, in lightly doped junction. Okay, so it is not necessary Zener breakdown सिर्फ lightly doped में ही होता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Zener breakdown can be occur in highly doped junction, but there is only one difference between the lightly doped junctions and highly doped junction. In lightly doped junction, Zener breakdown थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाता है as compared to highly doped. So this is not a correct answer. So B is, if we'll see the B option, mostly in germanium junction. So again, it is not necessary that Zener breakdown occurs mostly in germanium junction. It can be occur in intrinsic as well as in extrinsic semiconductor. So the option B is also incorrect. Right. So okay, now the D option, due to thermally generated magnetic carrier. So it is also not the appropriate answer because thermally generated magnetic carriers are not a reason for Zener breakdown. So it is also incorrect answer. So the only option we have now, due to rupture of covalent bond. Okay, so if we have two silica atom, and in both of the atom, if we have the high electric field, high electric potential, so there will be a rupture of covalent bond. So it is only due to rupture of covalent bond. The answer, the correct answer is A, option A. Okay, so now the fourth question is a current gain of bipolar transistor drops at high frequency because of. Okay, so the answer of this question will be transistor capacitance, and transistor capacitance also known as inter electrode transistor capacitance. Okay, so the gain of bipolar transistor drops at high frequency because of transistor, or we can say inter-electrode capacitance. Okay, as we all know, at high frequency range, the reactance, like we have the reactance in transistor, that is called CC, coupling capacitor, becomes quite small. So it becomes quite small, so therefore it will behave like a short circuit. So for as a result of this, the loading effect of next stage will increase. Okay, and that will reduce the voltage gain. So that's why the current gain of bipolar transistor drops at high frequency due to transistor capacitance. Okay, so now the fifth question is the IV characteristic of tunnel diode. The IV characteristic of tunnel diode is best represented as, so tunnel diode theory shows that it does not act a normal diode. If we talk about the normal diode, the characteristic of normal diode is like IV characteristic, it is like this. Okay, so tunnel diode is not it does not act as a normal diode, but instead exhibit a negative resistance region in the forward region. So the characteristic of tunnel diode is like, if you'll see the characteristic of tunnel diode, it will be like something this. Okay, so it is called peak point, and it is called valley point, and this region is negative. This is I and this is V. This region is called negative resistance region. So in option we can see the correct option is